Connor's taking the trash out. And he made me a drink. Got lots of contract work today.
Mm-hmm.
Fun stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. From me and my cute little Christmas Molly mug. Gotta keep the Christmas spirit alive year round. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It is a pretty average day here, to be honest. Got some calls, got some work to do, but it shouldn't be too heavy of a day. Just sort of a lot of like housekeeping type stuff, sort of like tedious, going through DMs and stuff like that. But nothing all that bad, so hopefully it won't be too long or late of a night, fingers crossed. I guess honestly, that's all I really have to say. Not gonna be a long intro here today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hop back into work here now. Well, it's a few hours later now, just finished my calls for the day, which is excellent, and there's not that much more to do today. There are a few things, so I'm gonna be working for a couple more hours, but then I am going straight to the beach because it is a gorgeous day out right now. Let's see what the temperature is. Currently 77 degrees, and I haven't even been outside yet today. That's unacceptable. Let's step outside, and I will definitely eat my lunch outside as well because that sounds so good. Oh my god, this weather is everything. I am so happy. So good. It is lunchtime. Let's figure out a little lunchy poo and then come and enjoy some beautiful sunny time. Okay, for lunch today, we're just gonna throw together a little quick air fryer meal. I'm so obsessed. Oh god. Getting it down is always a struggle. Haha. So I did something like this the other day. It was really yummy and just quick and easy. I basically just like chopped up some veggies and threw them into the air fryer for 20 minutes with some shrimp, which was so good. We don't have a ton of stuff right now. Probably should put in a grocery order. I've discovered mushrooms in the air fryer. 10 out of 10 delicious. Throw a little soy sauce in there. So good. I just threw it all in a big bowl because I'm gonna toss it in olive oil before it goes in. I'm gonna dump the rest of these shredded carrots in. One thing I did notice last time is that the veggies shrink a lot when they get put in the air fryer, so gotta use more than you think. Molly cat, this is not even things that will be yummy for you. You're not interested in any of this food. But I'll let you go outside for a little bit when I'm done. This is some zucchini. Yeah, that'll be good. So I have all the veggies in a bowl here, and I'm gonna grab shrimp. So in our bowl, we'll do some oil. A little bit of foil in the bottom of the air fryer, and then there's not enough space here. All of this is gonna get dumped in. Okay, so I start with like 14 minutes on the air fryer, and then I'm gonna add soy sauce and then do it for another 5 minutes, and then top it on top of some rice. That's it. All right, guys. Oh yeah, how good does that look? I'm just gonna scoop out my portion and leave the rest in there for Connor. Got it all in there, give it a little mix. Put my chair in the shade because I didn't put sunscreen on. Connor's taking a call, so I couldn't go in the room to get any, but it is honestly so hot, like it feels better in the shade than in the sun. It is a toasty day out today. And I have Molly cat out here with me. She's enjoying the sun and like sniffing everything dirty and rolling around in the dirt and watching all the birds fly by. She loves it. Molly cat, come here and say hi to me. She always ignores me when we're out here. Check out this lunch though. How yummy does that look? I'm excited. Look at this precious girl. She's living her best life out here. She's so cute. Hi, pretty. You're just watching the world go by. She's so cute. Lunch was so good, so delicious. Really, really happy with how that came out. It's just so easy to throw everything in there. Everything does get pretty small though after going in the air fryer, so I need to like get more veggies in there, but that's okay. And it is 2:15 now. I've just been working. I was on the phone with my mom putting some stuff together, and I think I'm just gonna work out here for the rest of the day. I'm like a psycho and had to put a sweatshirt on because it got a little chilly in the shade. I think the temperature is starting to drop a bit. It says it's 81 degrees and I had to put a sweatshirt on. But just in the shade. It's like a little chilly and there's a little bit of a breeze. Anyway, I'm gonna work out here for a little while. I have a few more things to get done. I have a call in 30 minutes. We're in pretty good shape for this day. End of the day, and we are walking down towards the beach. Connor's still working. Poor guy, he's having a long day, but I am done and I want to enjoy this sunshine. Actually, maybe now would be a good time to have a little chat with you guys for today's vlog while we're just relaxing on the beach here together. This is so nice, you guys. It is the perfect temperature. There's like a light breeze, which keeps you cool, but the sun is still so warm. There's not a cloud in the sky. Oh, I love living here so much. But I did want to sort of comment on this because I've noticed a few people asking, and I just thought it's an interesting thing to talk about. People have been wondering, did I make a mistake or regret moving my vlogs to my main channel? You guys, making that decision was so scary and stressful. I can't even tell you. Like, I went back and forth with Tara so much about it because I was so nervous for a million reasons. So like, obviously this channel that I post on now has more followers, or I guess subscribers, but I was getting sort of the same views on this channel that I was on my vlog channel, and I thought, well, the ratio looks a little bit better for like potential brand deals if it's like smaller subscribers and like the same views. And that was my like original sort of idea, but then I was sort of like, oh my god, look at my hair. It's so crazy. I'm washing my hair tonight, so just ignore all of that. Anyway, that was sort of like my original thoughts on the whole thing and why I ultimately like stuck with my vlog channel instead of just moving things onto this channel originally. But in the end, I am so glad that I made the decision to make the switch. It's not even that it's made that big of a difference, but I just feel really confident about that decision. I like having that higher subscriber count. It, you know, it's still working for brands, honestly. Like, even though the views are the same, having those that higher subscriber number is always helpful when negotiating brand deals. My manager really wanted me to do it for like years, and I was really putting it off. I am very, very glad that I did it ultimately. But it was so scary. And honestly, it was a great time to do it with Vlogmas because it was just like so much content on this channel that just like pulled people over, I think. And honestly, my views have been higher on this channel than on my other channel. Not always, but on a large majority of my videos so far this year, things have been better. So anyway, I hope that like answers your question, if you were wondering. If not, then I hope you liked this little talk anyway. Oh man, you guys, this is so freaking beautiful here. I'm so happy. I wish Connor was here. Wait, I really could not get over my hair. I should have fixed this before leaving the house. People probably think I'm like crazy. Anyway, brought my book, An Anonymous Girl. It's been so good so far, so I'm gonna, you know, try to get through a couple chapters of this while the weather is still really nice and to continue staying out of Connor's way while he's getting work done. So it'll be good to get out of his hair for a little while. And I definitely have the better end of the deal here, considering that I'm relaxing on the beach and he is working on contracts, just lawyer things. Okay, it's getting a little chilly now. Sun's setting, so I think I'm going to head back up to the house. But before I go, I think I'm going to pop into a few shops and pick up a few little things to bring home with me, maybe to cheer Connor up, because it sucks that he's still working and I feel bad. Much time has passed since I have checked in with you guys, came home, took a shower. I also ended up picking up some little treats for Connor, like I said. We're gonna save them for tomorrow because it's already like 8 p.m, so it's sort of late. But I got a really yummy looking cheese board, which I am very excited about. Went to Forma and got it. I just was gonna like pick up cheeses there, and then they handed me a full cheese board. And I had no idea it came with so many other yummy things, so very excited about that. Picked us up some wine, which we are cracking open today. And of course, goldfish, because I was like, we don't have any and it's just unacceptable. I know, honestly, we have to start buying those giant bags, I think. I agree. Which is ridiculous. Like, those are for like families of 5 that need to like feed their 3 kids.
Yeah, well, those kids don't got shit on me.
That's true. And then this is one of the wines that we have been drinking a lot lately. I don't even know how to pronounce the name of this, but it's a Malbec and it's organic. So, health queens. We're going super lazy for dinner tonight. I'm trying to decide. Connor's gonna have mac and cheese, and I'm trying to decide if I should join him on that or go the ramen route, because I've been thinking about ramen lately, because I'm always thinking about ramen. Maybe I should flip a coin. Heads, I go mac and cheese. Tails, I go ramen. Hey Siri, flip a coin. Siri, flip a coin. Heads, mac and cheese. All right, I like it. Double the mac, double the fun. That's what I always say. I don't know. All right, mac and cheese for dinner. Of course, I had to put shit on top of it because God forbid I just leave it plain. Put some sriracha and everything but the bagel on there, and it's going to be so good.
So excited.
Yeah.
Mac and cheese.
I know, I'm so excited for mac and cheese.